Dry eye happens when your body doesn't generate sufficient tears, or the tears lack the right quality. This condition can result in various symptoms, such as burning, itchiness, soreness, redness, blurriness. Your eyes may also feel tired and heavy, and you may be more sensitive to light than usual. What are the causes of dry eye? Dry eye syndrome can occur as a natural part of the aging process, especially in women, due to the hormonal changes caused by menopause. But it can also be caused by certain medications and medical conditions, as well as in response to environmental conditions, smoke exposure and climate changes, and long-term use of contact lenses. What are the best remedies for dry eye? 1. Warm compresses. Applying a warm compress to your eyes will not only help soothe dry, burning eyes, but it can also help soften and unplug your oil glands to ensure your tears contain enough lipids to keep your eyes moisturized. To ensure the cloth maintains its warmth, you may need to replace it with a fresh, warm washcloth halfway through the duration. This will allow for continuous soothing relief. Enjoy the calming sensation as you relax and give your eyes a break. Incorporating this simple practice into your daily routine can significantly enhance your eye comfort and well-being, providing a moment of tranquility amidst your busy life. Your eyes will thank you for the attention and care they receive. So you will need to reheat it several times for maximum effect. If you feel this is too time-consuming, consider making a rice bag, which stays warm longer, by placing uncooked rice in a sock, heating it in the microwave for a few minutes, and placing it over top of your eyes after testing that it's reached an appropriate heat level. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Healthy fats are essential to our health and play a huge role in the health of our eyes. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, ground flaxseed, chia seeds, sesame seeds, almonds, and walnuts, serves as an effective natural approach to alleviating dry eye symptoms. 3. Wear glasses. Since air movement can exacerbate dry eyes, consider wearing protective glasses when spending time in windy conditions. Wraparound glasses and sunglasses are best as they provide the most protection for your eyes. 4. Using a humidifier in cold weather can help keep your eyes moist and relieve dryness and burning. 5. Drink more H2O. There are so many benefits to drinking 8+ glasses of water each day, and relief from dry, burning eyes is one of them. Mild dehydration can make dry eye syndrome worse, so make sure you are consuming enough H2O throughout the day. 6. Eye drops. While natural remedies such as warm compresses, protective glasses, and omega-3 fatty acids can help alleviate the symptoms of dry eye syndrome, they can be time-consuming and don't always provide complete relief. Thankfully, there are other over-the-counter remedies you can use, and I have had the most luck with Roto Dry 8 Eye Drops, which provides relief from 5 common symptoms of dry eye: dryness, irritation, grittiness, burning, and stinging. Roto is the #1 global eye care brand, and its non-blurry tear repair formula has been clinically shown to provide longer-lasting relief than the leading brand. New Roto Dry 8 helps restore the natural tear film to create a uniform moisture shield that's clinically shown to provide superior comfort and soothe dry eyes for up to 12 hours in a clinical study. Roto Dry 8 delivered consistent and continuous relief over time and was rated highly for its refreshing feeling while delivering significant improvements in quality of life. Roto Dry 8 features innovative liquid shield technology. This formulation effectively restores moisture to the tear film. It addresses all 3 layers, simulating a stable, natural tear.